Hey guys, it's Hilda here. So, quick and honest review on these AdamStar flashlight set. This is a set that comes with two flashlights that are high lumen and rechargeable. As you could see, these flashlights are very sleek and professional looking. They are this black color, and overall, the touch and the feel of these flashlights is very, very sturdy. They feel very, very high quality, and it also comes with this attachment that it is used for you to be able to use normal AAA batteries. You need three of them, and it also comes with three USB-C cables for you to be able to recharge the batteries as they are rechargeable, and they come with a rechargeable battery. It also comes with two instruction manuals, which I think it's very, very convenient. And this is a close-up of the flashlight. You can see it's very, very potent, and we're gonna try it out later outdoors. And this is the on and off button, and it also has this clip for you to be able to clip it anywhere you want. And this is the outlet where you are going to be able to recharge the battery with a USB-C or a USB-A cable. And this is where you open the flashlight for you to be able to change out the rechargeable battery. And you can also change it out for the insert to use three AAA batteries. It works either way. This flashlight also comes with a power digital display, which will tell you how much battery it has when you use the rechargeable battery. And it could cold run up to 20 hours in the low mode, which is really long battery. And as I said, these flashlights are super, super bright, and they have the long range with the zoom. And it has this high quality long beam LED chip, which is just makes it super, super crazy bright. It has four main modes and a stepless dimming mode and also a turbo mode. So the four main light modes are the high, low, strobe, and SOS, which will be demonstrated here. If you long press the switch for 2 seconds, it will enter a stepless dimming mode, which you can adjust to your convenience, and the memory function as well if you double click the switch to enter turbo mode. An important aspect of these flashlights as well is that they're waterproof and durable. So they have this built-in high tenacity sealed rubber, which will prevent any liquid to getting in the flashlight. I personally will have these flashlights in my car. I feel like they're great for emergencies or for whatever use you want them. These are great. They're high quality, and I just highly recommend them. So I just feel like with all the modes and the high quality aluminum it's made out of, it's great. So definitely check these flashlights out if you're looking for something like this, or as a gift, they are also perfect because everyone needs a good flashlight. So definitely check it out.